All right. So today we are going to just practice what we did yesterday with our mixed numbers, and then our fractions bigger than 1. And the big thing that I am looking for is that the fractions bigger than 1, the numerator has to be bigger. Otherwise, it's just a regular fraction. A fraction that's bigger than 1 means that you can take out a whole. Means you have some holes in there. So we're going to work with going back and forth. Okay, today I'm going to spell your code word. So write down this letter. The letter is B. Write down the letter B. Okay, so the first thing I just want to practice doing a few, and then we're going to see if these are equivalent. So first one that we have, let's go ahead and do our 1 and 5, 6. Okay, so the first step is that you think, okay, you add those. And what I know about adding is that they have to have the same denominator. So in order for this to have the same denominator, it has to have the same part. So that means I look at my denominator, it's 6. So this whole, the only way I can add it is if I change it to 6, 6. Then I add my 5, 6. And then I just add my straight numerators because the number of parts stays the same. We always have 6 parts, but now we have 11/6 of those parts. So 11/6 is equivalent to 1 and 5, 6. They're the same thing, just a different way to write it. Okay, so now on the 30 with the 6, I have to think, well, how many times can I take out 6? So if I do 6, and then I'm going to take out another whole, so now I'm at 12. Then I can still take out more, so take out another whole. So now I'm at 18. I'm trying to get all the way up to 30. Take out another 6. What is that? 24. And take out another 6. And that is 30. So really, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's actually equal to 5 wholes. 36 is equal to 5 wholes, nothing left over. All right, so let's do 2.5. So with that, I have to think. I have 2 wholes now. So I have 2. So I'm going to break this to 1 plus 1 plus 1/2. That's my thought. So then I got to change my 1 to a fraction, and I look at my denominator. So the whole is going to be 2. And then I do my plus, and then I got to change the next whole into fractions, and then I got to add my part. So I'm going to be adding the numerators, which is 5, and bring over the denominator. So 2.5 is the same as 5 and 2/2. Now let's try one more of a fraction bigger than 1 going back to a mixed number. So these two are equivalent, they're equal. Okay, your next letter is U. Your next letter is U. Okay, so we're going to do, let's do 15, let's do fourths. 15 fourths. So then I know that a whole, if I look at my denominator, is going to be 4. So then I have 4 fourths, and that leaves me 11, or 4. And I do another 4 fourths, that's 8. Let's see if I do another 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can do another 4. Now I'm at 12. If I do 4 again, that gives me 16, so that's too many. So if I have 12, how many more do I need to get to 15? 12, 13, 14, 15. So I need 3 more. So that means I have 3 left over. So, how many holes is that? That's 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and our fraction. So 15/4 is the same as 3 3/4. 3 3/4. Your next letter is G. Your next letter is G. Okay, so I'm going to give you a problem, and you're going to tell me if these equal the same. Okay? So I have 3 2/3. 3 2/3. So I want to know, is this the same Okay, so tell me if that is equal. I want to know if these are equal. I'm going to do 3 2/3 again. And let's see, let's do tell me if that's equal. Tell me if that's equal. And tell me if that's equal. So I want to know if problem number 1 is equal, problem number 2 is equal, and problem number 3 and problem number 4. I want to see if those are equal. So I've taken my mixed number and I've broken it up. And you got to tell me if they're right. Okay. And then I have one final letter, which is S. And then I have a find my mistake, find my error. So this one is find my error. Find my error. Okay. I'm going to change this into a mixed number. Okay. I got 5. And then I got 6/5. This is a 1. So this is 1 6/5. Okay. I did something wrong. Can you find it? Remember to give me the code word I spelled out to you.